right, wish me luck.
Well, Liz, I guess I'll be on my way now.
Oh, bro, this is going straight to my office.
Sell the couch. That's a wrap on Orange. SoCal was here for a year. You can hear the echo, that means all my stuff is gone. And now, going on this great road trip, I'm excited. And I'm rambling. We can ramble later, but let's go eat and get on the road. I already hit traffic, and I'm not even to San Bernardino. This is gonna be fun. Stop number 1, just outside of Palm Springs, and we need gas. Had to get seeds. Also, peanut butter M&Ms. Diet starts when the road trip ends, right? Good morning. Well, I definitely picked the prettiest rest stop I've ever stayed at. There's this mountain view just off in front of me, and the sun is painting it like a perfect edge along the mountains. Beautiful. And I actually got a nap here. I think I got like almost 4 hours of sleep. Important to get some sleep, and this was not a sketchy rest stop. I just had a good feeling about it. Onward. Good morning from Las Cruces, New Mexico. Yo, Texas is really fucking wide. It never ends. After I've listened to a bunch of podcasts, I listen to some comedy, a bunch of music that I listen to all the time. I actually like the sound of the road, the silence. It's really cool imagining people coming across this in horses and wagons. I mean, that doesn't sound like something I'm interested in doing. It's a cool romantic idea, and it was probably the hardest life ever to try to do that. This is the part of road trips that I actually like the most. It's important to stretch. My hips are feeling it. Staying in a real hotel today. Let's see if it'll fit. Oh, baby. Come on. Yes. Nice. I did it. I'm gonna take a shower because I smell like a new man with that shower. Oh, I feel so good. I gotta work on not eating so much fast food. But I'm on the road, what can I do? See, just need a shower. Feel great. But I gotta get to the Alamo. Check that out. San Antonio, real quick. I think I slept for 7.5 hours, which is a lot for me in a regular week. One more day driving. So I just walked in this Buc-ee's. I'm like 40 minutes from the place, and it's massive. My first experience ever inside of Buc-ee's, so I got a pulled pork sandwich. It's pretty good. candy, and I didn't have the full experience. I'm trying to get home to my new home. There's gotta be over 100 pumps out here. Yo, this is the type of stuff that starts like a scary movie. I'm going like 20 miles under the speed limit. All right, we made it. Update tomorrow, going to bed. We have arrived. It was so dark and foggy. You can see it's still foggy now. Very tough to drive in, but look at the view. Even with the fog, it's nice. This is home now. I'm just grateful for the opportunity, and maybe that sun will poke through.